Hello, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone's doing well. So it was a crisp sunny day, so I decided to visit the Roman city of Bath. I visited once before, but I was totally fascinated by the city, so I decided to visit it again. So grab a cup of coffee, make yourself comfy and stay till the end to get the full experience because you will see lots of pretty places. Let's go inside the historic indoor market. There's something for everyone at the famous Bath Guildhall Market. It's the oldest shopping venue in the city, and today a colorful group of 20 or so stall holders trade in this jewel of a building in the heart of the city. In this pretty shop, you will find everything related to tea and coffee. The teacups looked so pretty and colorful. The patterns and designs on these cups are so beautiful. So, it's a family-run business, developed its own specialty tea, blends and sources the finest coffee beans and drinking chocolate from all over the world. I was so much fascinated by these Turkish lamps, so colorful and pretty. There were so many designs and colors to choose from. So there were other things as well, like keychains, colorful pottery and lots more. So I was just wandering around and checking out the stalls. The atmosphere was quite lively. People were walking around and enjoying the colorful and trendy stalls. So trading has taken place on this site for over 800 years. And today, you can still soak up the historic atmosphere under the magnificent central dome roof of this gem of a 19th century building. Oh my goodness, this shop is full of colorful jewelry. The variety is endless. It was really hard to pick and choose your favorite jewelry item, isn't it? Wow, look at this view from the Pulteney Bridge. So fascinating, really. Now you're looking at the River Avon in the Bath. River Avon is a river in the southwest of England. You can walk along the river on the bridge and you can enjoy these beautiful views. So I was just walking around. I went inside this lovely bakery because I love to eat Portuguese tarts. So there were meringues and cakes as well. If you want to experience best Portuguese custard tarts, you have to come here. You can also get here their aromatic coffee along with tarts for a delightful experience just like us. The taste was so yummy with the cinnamon powder on it. So I was just walking around, enjoying the amazing architecture of Bath, taking in all the views. Now you're looking at Jack's of Bath shop. Jack's of Bath is a family-run luxury tourist gift shop in the heart of the World Heritage City of Bath, selling a combination of essential souvenirs and high-end British classics. In this shop you will find lots of things like gift items, souvenirs, t-shirts, teapots, magnets, mugs, soft toy and lots more. I think it's the right place to buy a good souvenir because you can choose from a large variety and there are some items you can hardly find somewhere else. So I was just walking around in the pretty streets of Bath, soaking in the atmosphere and enjoying the vibes. So this bakery is amazing. Highly recommended to anyone visiting Bath. So I selected a chunky pistachio cookie from here. It was so delicious, soft and gooey, just melt into the mouth. So that's the oldest sweet shop of the Bath, nestled in the heart of the city. Just go inside and grab your childhood favorites. There is plenty of variety to choose from. It's hard to decide which one to choose really. There's a wide range of traditional British sweets. Personally, I like their chocolate and fudge variety. So now you're looking at the Bath Bun Tea Shop. A quintessential English tea shop in the heart of the historic centre of Bath. Step back in time to this traditional and elegant setting. I was so much fascinated by the traditional tea rooms upstairs. The decor looks quite elegant yet traditional. I was getting quite relaxing vibes there. People were just chatting and enjoying themselves. I think it's the perfect place for a cozy afternoon tea and a book. The architecture of the city centre is quite amazing. Now I'm just wandering around in the Walcot Artisan Quarter shopping area. It's a vibrant, eclectic collection of characterful, independent shops offering everything from vintage clothes to designer homeware. Walcot is a lively bohemian neighborhood centered on Walcot Street, dotted with craft shops and vintage boutiques. I want to show you this shop in particular. It's called Graham and Green. Here you will find eclectic furniture and interiors. This shop is filled with beautiful and unique furniture, lighting, rugs, and accessories for your home that you will fall in love with. The quality is top-notch. If you are a lover of home decoration, then this place is definitely for you. The store was so cozy and inviting. Just enter the Artisan Quarter of Walcot Street, where you can discover this lovely home store. You can just visit this store to get an idea of new decoration trends of 2025. I absolutely love this shop. It's so overwhelming because I want to buy everything. The staff were super kind and helpful. It's a very beautiful and unique shop, full on quirky items, well worth a visit. It's an emporium of vibrant and eclectic products, perfect for buying everything related to home and interior decoration. Now you're looking at Sally Lunn's, Bath's oldest house, home of the famous Sally Lunn's bun, a semi-sweet bread and tea rooms. Now we are going towards Sally Lunn's Kitchen Museum. It's an original kitchen and bakery dating from 1622 with an oven dating much further back to 1100s. Yes, that is almost 1,000-year-old. It's a micro-museum in the cellars of Bath's oldest house, shows the birthplace of the original Bath bun. This little museum looks so cozy and traditional. It takes you back into times really. One can visualize old-style baking techniques and ovens of that times. So I'm just walking around outside the Roman baths and pump rooms. The architecture looked amazing. It was once the site of one of the great religious spas of the ancient world. The people of Roman Britain came to the site to worship the goddess and bathe into the waters of natural thermal springs. Now we are inside the souvenir shop of Roman baths. Here you will find all sorts of souvenir. You can pick up your favorite one as a token of memory of your visit to the bath. It's a great shop to browse and to buy something, of course. After all, you come here to buy that memento, be it a fridge magnet or a tea towel. If you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So I was just wandering around in the beautiful city of Bath and taking in all the views and the amazing architecture, just feeling the vibes. So I was just going towards Royal Crescent, then I found this Jane Austen Centre. That's the Royal Crescent. It is a row of 30 terraced houses laid out in a sweeping crescent in the city of Bath. It is one of the greatest examples of Georgian architecture anywhere in the UK. Now I will show you a very pretty pedestrian street. It's on Margaret's Building. It's a pedestrian street full of exclusively independent shops in the World Heritage City of Bath. As you know that the street is on the Margaret's Building in Bath, which is nestled between the Circus and the Royal Crescent, full of charming shops, previously the most fashionable area of the cities in Bath's previous Georgian heyday. You can see here lots of art galleries, independent shops, cafes, restaurants and lots more. Now you're looking at a very pretty charity shop. Then I went inside to browse the shop. At that time it was quite busy. The success of the charity shop depends entirely on the generous donation of quality used goods. I could see there lots of fabulous stuff. The shop is filled with lots of good quality donations from people, and some people were buying lots of stuff here as well. If you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So I was just wandering around, exploring the area, the colorful shops, restaurants, quirky streets. Now you're looking at Bath Abbey, the Abbey Church of St. Peter and St. Paul, commonly known as Bath Abbey, is a parish church of the Church of England and formal Benedictine monastery in Bath, Somerset. Now you're looking at River Avon. The River Avon runs through the heart of Bath and is one of the city's most defining features. If you want to walk along the River Avon trail is generally straightforward to follow and easygoing as it follows the river and is level along the entire route. Now I'm just taking in the beautiful views of the river. As I am a nature lover, so I was just enjoying my time here. So it was a beautiful evening and it's now time to go home. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.